Hi Chris, I'm Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling. I am in the middle of planning and implementing a shabby chic wedding event. My bride has a taste for delicious cocktails. She would like you to create a brand new signature cocktail for her reception.
Here are some of her favorite items as options that she would like you to possibly incorporate: black raspberries, blueberries, lavender, and she absolutely loves cream liqueurs.
She would also like you to not only recommend, but make a second cocktail for our groom. Your choice. We are relying on your experience and expertise, and we cannot wait to not only see, but taste your creations.
Hi Dawn, thank you so much. We are very excited to make a couple of cocktails for the Evermore wedding. Hi, I'm Chris from A Bar Above, and today we are going to create 2 signature cocktails guaranteed to add a personal touch to any wedding celebration. The very first cocktail that we're going to create is utilizing the bride's favorite flavor combinations, which happen to be lavender, blueberry, black raspberry, and a cream liqueur. Now for the second cocktail, the groom has given us complete creative freedom to come up with something really delicious and fun for him and his guests. So now let's show you what we've come up with. The very first cocktail we're going to make is for the bride, and we're going to be using the flavor combination that she sent us, primarily the lavender, the blueberry, and the cream liqueur. So let's go ahead and show you what we've come up with. To make the cocktail, we're going to go ahead and start by building everything in the small cheater tin of our cocktail shaker. We're going to go ahead and start with our cream liqueur that she outlined, and add that right into the glass. And this is gonna give it a nice, rich, round kind of quality to the drink. So the next ingredient we're gonna add is some vodka. Now the vodka is gonna add another dimension to this cocktail and give it a little bit more of a balance. And now for some additional flavor that she was interested in, and we're gonna be using some blueberry syrup here. And finally, whenever we have some sweetness, we want to add some acid to kind of balance everything out. So we're going to use some lemon juice. And now we're going to add some ice and really give this a good shake to get those ingredients together. This is a beautiful color already. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So we're gonna add some fresh ice to our serving glass, and we are gonna go ahead and strain. And now the final touch that we're gonna do is we're gonna lighten this up a little bit with some soda water. And this is gonna make it a really nice, very light, enjoyable cocktail that you can have throughout the entire wedding. Give it a quick stir. Add a little bit more. And for the garnish, we're just gonna add a simple lavender sprig in there. And there we have it. Cheers. For the groom's cocktail, we wanted to do something really special and interesting, but keep it very simple and also match some of the flavor combinations that we have in here. So what we're gonna be using is gonna be a little bit of honey, some lemon to brighten the cocktail up a bit, some bourbon and ginger beer. And let's go ahead and make that cocktail for you now. Now to make the cocktail, we're actually gonna build everything right inside of the serving glass. It's called a built cocktail. So let's go ahead and start with our spirit. So we're just gonna be using some bourbon for this one. Next, we're going to add our sweetener, which is the honey syrup. This will add some of the floral notes that we have with the lavender and kind of pair up with that really, really well. So next, we need to kind of balance that out since we have some sweetness, and we're going to do that with some lemons or lemon juice here. Add that right into the drink. Just give this a quick stir. Add our ice. And now for the final touch in this cocktail, we're gonna go ahead and add some ginger beer. Now, ginger beer is gonna add this nice deep ginger flavor, but also make this a little bit more on the light and refreshing side. And for the garnish, we're just gonna do a simple lemon wedge. There we have it. Cheers, guys. Whenever we design cocktails for weddings or special events, we always keep a couple of things in mind. First of all, the cocktails themselves should be really approachable and delicious. The other thing we think about is the scalability of these drinks. They should be able to be made quickly, consistently, and still stay within a couple's budget. And that's exactly what we have here. Once again, thank you, Dawn, for the invitation to make these delicious cocktails for the lucky bride and groom. And we have no doubt that the happy couple are going to be enjoying these cocktails on their wedding night.